How to transfer money from EBT card to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your EBT card to your Cash App account. Let's first take a look at the requirement needed to be endeavor first. So in order to transfer your money from your EBT card to your Cash App account. So first, a person must be in a possession of an active EBT card that is currently eligible for benefit. In addition, one must have a valid Cash App account with a verified bank account attached. Once these requirements are met, we can proceed with the transfer process. So first of all, just open your Cash App account and navigate to the balance tab. From there, just select the add cash and enter the amount of the EBT benefit you want to transfer, and then select the option to add funds with your EBT card and enter your EBT card information when prompted. And once you have confirmed the transfer, the EBT benefits will be converted to cash and deposited into your Cash App account. So this is how easy it is to do it. So this is how you will be able to transfer money from your EBT card to your Cash App account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.